Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create these amazing portraits with the Liquify effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. With any of the selection tool, select the subject. Press Ctrl or Command J to copy it to a new layer. Go to Filter, Liquify. Here move this brush towards the left and adjust it as per your requirement. Hit OK when you are satisfied. Now click on the adjustment layer icon and choose black and white. Create the clipping mask to limit it to the upper layer. Adjust the values and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.